Welcome to Rusheeyoga. Today's video is a part 8 we reached daily yoga practice. In this video we are going to do is a few warm-ups, different warm-ups, not same which is we did all parts, and also few asanas to how to overcome our rigidness because we are staying in home always. That's why we need to overcome our rigidness, and always we need to keep body in a flexible and strengthening body, and also weight loss. We'll work out on the 3 points. Without wasting much time, let's start the session. First of all, sit in a Sukhasana. Body straight, close your eyes. Hands keep in Dhyana Mudra. Do 5 to 10 rounds of slow breath. While doing breathe, focus inner body. Next is a head warm up. Do the head rotation. Inhale. Do half rotations. First do the back rotation. After wake up, will feel sometime is a neck stiffness. That's why head back rotation. Next do the 5 to 10 rotations forward rotation. This forward rotation helpful for double chin reduction and also the thyroid gland exercising. Relax. Next is a side stretch. It will help you to the get neck flexibility. Inhale, exhale, other side stretch. Next is a shoulder and hands fingers. Do the fingers open and close. Wrist rotation, palm up and down. Next, open, close palm. Do it every moment 5 to 10 times. Next, palm rise and bending elbow. It will help you to the arms tightening and also reduction. At least do this 1 minute. Relax. Next is the body, middle body twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale. Next is a side stretch. Inhale, exhale. While stretching, inhale, exhale is a body side, other side. Do it 5 to 10 times. Relax. Next, do the arms. Do it at least 1 minute. Relax. Next is a one pranayama, because after wake up early morning sometimes we'll feel nose blockage, and also uh, sometimes feeling cold type. That's why we have to do the nostril. We have to do the breathing. Inhale, exhale, same nostril. Relax. Do it 5 to 10 times. Next, nostril change. Relax. Today's video I'm going to show is a style of Vinyasa Yoga. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. At least do 10 times. Next is a back stretch. Palm behind, resting on floor. Body stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Next, do the legs. Leg side twist, other side. Next, leg rise. Relax. Next, go to the Paschimottanasana. Inhale, exhale, facing up. Uddita Kona Paschimottanasana we are practicing. Keep it facing up and do the slow breathe. It will help you to the upper back toning. Relax. Next, leg rise. Other leg rise. Next is a twist leg facing back. Same asana other side. Next, both legs rise at a time. Both legs rise at a time. If you are not getting at a time both legs rise, bend your legs and stretch. Do it this 5 to 10 times, you will get the flexibility. Next, hold 10 seconds. Hold it now. Relax. Next is a side asana, side plank asana. Single leg folded, which is a down leg folded, upper leg stretch, body rise, hand stretch towards sun head. Relax. Same asana other side. Relax. Next, be in Dhyana Mudra sitting. Next, we are going to do practice here is a neck lock. Sit in Vajrasana. Exhale, squeeze your stomach. Hold the breath at least 5 to 10 seconds. Chin down and hold it. Slowly rise your head. Do the inhale. Again. Do it 5 times. One more round I am going to show. First do the exhale. While exhale, squeeze your stomach inside. Hold the breath. Don't take breath. Chin down. This is a lock for neck. Inhale. Relax 5 seconds after the breathing practice. Next asana is a toe balanced asana. Keep it toe together. Sit on your heel. Exhale, go forward. Forehead should be resting on floor in between palm. Inhale, come up. Next do the Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is good for thyroid gland and also vocal cord, throat infections, anything you can cure with the practicing daily Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama, while sit straight, do the Ujjayi Pranayama. While inhale, make your sound in your throat, humming sound. Don't open your mouth while making sound. Start. 1. Inhale. Exhale slowly. One more round. Inhale. Third round. Inhale. Relax 10 seconds. Slowly move your hands, drop your hands. Head give on your face, eyes proper. While opening eyes, look on your palm. See, for the Ujjayi Pranayama, if you are not getting at a time long time practice, do slowly. Daily practice will get slowly the mastering the breathing or the sound making also. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Rusheeyoga channel and also click the bell icon. Please share your friends and colleagues, relatives. They will get idea how to do yoga and how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Namaste.